been a hot minute since that thing's been in there. So get the new one in there, get it all cleaned up, fire it up, let it build pressure. And yeah. It is officially the last day of summer. Well, not for you, because you got one more year. Whoa, one more year of freedom without school, but gotta go ahead and clean up this truck and clean up this boat, put them away. Oh, it was a beautiful weekend. I hope you guys had one too. And I'm just grateful for the Monday off too. It made it my last 3-day weekend. All right, let's do some pressure washing. The T-Dubs doesn't usually dress like this, but she found these boots somewhere.
And they were $157, but I got them for $50.
Well, okay. She's like, I can't wait for it to be fall now.
With my little dresses, that'd be cute.
Oh yeah. And something else showed up, but hey, watch out. Stay on the street more. Come on, Tiggs. Yes, baby. No, Aunt Denise just got home. She was at the lake too. But yeah, something else just came, and we'll go check that out. You've been waiting for a milk for a while. You drank a whole gallon of milk in 2 days at the lake. AD9. Let's open that up inside. Get T-Dub's box out of the way, and then pop this one open. But yeah, thank you so much, 36 Chevy on good old YouTube. You're the one that gave me the idea for that. It was only like $30 more than those other ones I've been getting, so appreciate you. It is extremely heavy, and it is packaged very well.
Yeah, that is that was way nice.
Mine's leaking right here at the governor, the blow off. So nice, and that'll bolt right on to where the other one goes. So thank you so much. I did not know that, but it's called an AD9. If you look up that on Amazon or YouTube or eBay, that's what it is. So we'll get that installed, and then we'll have less air leak, which is good in trucking. While those guys play with that, let's go put that air dryer in. Poor Tiki's getting attacked by Casper. T-Dubs is filling out a bunch of school stuff. It's cool they got all these apps that we download so we can like keep track of the boys and stuff. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go put that air dryer in. I love you too. Oh man, I made it just in time that the train is moving again, because there's a big row of cars right there parked waiting to go. So, all right, looks like they're pulling a tanker out of good old polymer. It's like a glue place over there. So, epoxy. Let's get to the shop. So what it's looking like is we just have a clamp on the back, the top kind of middle way, and then two of these actually go through. And so I'm gonna see if how easy those come out, and then that's how you mount. So there's one on that side, one on this side, attached to the clamp down there, and voila. Two big airlines, the governor line, and should be in business. Let's get that off. Okay, it is humid out here. I'm hot. Just wipe my eyebrow, my forehead. These are pretty dirty inside, so I cleaned them out with the parts cleaner. Probably have the compressor going, or maybe it's leaking through, shooting some oil through the lines, I don't know. But we got them all cleaned. They fit right back into the first other one. But that boy was pretty dirty. Got them all out. It's been a hot minute since that thing's been in there, so get the new one in there, get it all cleaned up, fire it up, let it build pressure. And yeah, the clamp was the only problem I had. The bolt and the nut, you can kind of see it was getting bent, so I kind of had to pry it out with a screwdriver to get it out, because that's just not going. I should get some PV blaster on there. It's just rusted and old, so be careful with that one. I went nice and gentle and slow, and it was still biting. So get that out, and then yeah, I'm just gonna take out two of these bolts that clamp this together. That's what is holding down there. So we'll take two more out and put it back in there, and it'll be nice and secure. But first we'll get through that clamp again and get it mounted. Okay, let's fire her up, build some air. There you go. Just one more thing for peace of mind. The air system, you want that to be nice and tight because you don't want any DOT problems. So thanks so much for the 89. Didn't even know about it, and I'm super glad I got it. It was only like $40 more than the other ones, and pretty easy install. So don't be afraid to do your own air dryer, guys. 130 bucks or $125. worth the peace of mind and keep that air system cool. Okay, there's a nice Peterbilt right there. I love that one. A flat top, kind of like Velox 18s. Maybe that's it. I don't know though. Look at the rear window. Anyways, the storm's rolling in. It's supposed to be 60-mile-an-hour winds and chance of tornadoes. So we're gonna go ahead and get home and hope that doesn't take down any trees around the house or around the lake house. But the air dryer's done. That's what we really wanted to get. The wheel seal's on their schedule for tomorrow or Wednesday. It's not that they don't have the parts, it's that they don't have the time. They do have the time. They just put it on the books. So they'll be getting that done, and then we will be back in business with the FLD. But we have a load, no loads tonight because of this weather. But hopefully tomorrow for cement. So yeah, we'll check Truck Smarter tomorrow and run a cement load in the morning. Let's check on a good old W9 though before we get home. See how she's been. Oh yeah, we'll be taking her in the morning. Just wanted to come check on her since we've been gone all weekend. We're not gonna fire up and warm her up or pre-trip her. We'll do that in the morning. Okay, she's doing fine. Yeah, I don't think we're going to the pool today. Look at those clouds. It's supposed to be a cold front coming, so that's gonna cause some problems, they say. Oh man, we'll see. What's Sticky doing? Oh, don't let him out. Oh, he's jumping on me. Okay. We are watching the clouds because they are very crazy.
It's good I brought tikis.
It is good you brought tikis. It's raining right over there behind you. Right over there. Oh, there.
You're behind me?
Oh yeah, they're swirling. Crazy.
We saw one swirl, but it...
Is a tornado gonna come?
No.
Hopefully not, but there has been tornadoes hit. You can kind of see these ones moving in.
Look at them.
Oh, you built one?
See the clouds turning under?
Yeah.
It looks like a hot dog.
This kind of looks like a hot dog.
And a rainbow. So if you look this way,
All right, but I don't know. I might Uber tonight. I don't know. I have to re-update my insurance because I haven't Ubered in a while, so my insurance is expired. Show me. Whoa, are you eating chocolate? Chocolate ice cream? Oh, what are those called? Dum-dums?
See them swirling?
yeah.
They're like going up underneath each other. Look at them spinning. Look.
Oh, yeah. But that's an air dryer, guys. If you don't know what that is, it just dries the air being pumped in from your compressor that's mounted to your motor.
They swirl real bad. They swirl real bad. But I just got the emergency alert.
Yeah, so my phone just stopped recording because I got the emergency weather alert.
Destructive 80-mile-per-hour wind.
Oh my! I just hope none of the trees fall down at the. Look at that right there, at the lake, because the lake's supposed to get worse than we are.
That cloud was close to us.
Yeah, look at that one coming through.
That one close.
But yeah, oh, lightning, air dryer.
Take our flag down, babe.
Yeah, I'll take it down. No, it survives.
No, it'll go flying.
Think so?
No, I mean it might, but 80
80
mile per hour winds.
You think so?
You should go peek.
I don't know, guys. Crazy weather out here in the south, though. And yesterday we were on the lake. We had a quick little cluster
Look how fast those
of wind coming, hit the trees, and then a quick rainstorm for like 15 minutes, and then we were, and then it was back to normal. Everybody
And
left
the
except
boat
one other boat and us.
And the boat got so
The
dirty.
boat did, and that's why Mommy and Daddy power washed it all morning today.
And we power washed the
We got a
truck.
real
We did power wash the truck. The boat looks brand new again.
And the truck.
The truck, the red truck, is that one going to be your truck, or is that going to be Colin's truck, the red one? Which one's yours? Oh, the white one. So Colin gets the red one.
So cool.
Because I like the red
see
lights
it?
under it.
Ooh.
Did you see the lightning bugs?
All right, guys, but that is no trucking today, but trucking tomorrow morning, and maybe Uber tonight. Our neighbor's probably like, "Why are you laying in my yard?"
Oh yeah.
Cool guy. He's retired. He built 2 of the nail salons in the area all by himself.
Yeah, and
Super.
And
And
he bounced those balls to us.
Yep.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
that
he did
glow
give
in
you some
the dark
basketballs one time.
one. And that glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
He probably that's what that's why I love that.
Okay. Well, we'll wrap this video up, but maybe I'll Uber tonight. We'll see if my insurance gets.
I think he
So I submitted my insurance because it had expired. So submitted my new insurance card. I do feel rain.
Rain's coming.
Oh, it's coming.
Time to go in.
Where's your other shoe, buddy? I just have the one.
What happened to the other shoe? Just one shoe?
Hurry!
Okay. Let's go. You're gonna make me a chicken bowl?
Yeah, there's
Here comes the boom. I can feel the rain starting to come.
Is that potato?
That's crazy because it's storming right there, but not right here. You can see it coming. Oh, here it comes. Oh, yeah. You can see it storming down to the left.
Did you see this note?
No, what's that?
It says, "Hey, Justin and Katie, my name is Bruce, and I'm a fan of your channel.
Oh, nice.
My daughter and family just moved in Simpsonville from Long Island. My wife and I are visiting, and just wanted to say hi."
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Nice.
that is really cool.
That's-
Thanks, Bruce.
Sorry, Bruce, we're at the lake.
Yeah.
Now we're about to be at the lake in Simpsonville, but that's awesome. Your kids moved here. That's super cool. It's a nice place to live. It's just a little bit of crazy weather sometimes. Huh.
Yeah. Like right now.
Like right now.
It's rain. Let's go. Can I go in it? Let's go.
Yeah, hurry up.
Like, what? You have on
So you push your brother.
socks on. Take your socks off.
Just had a slight power outage. T-Dub's maybe some more of these amazing tacos she makes.
It legit turned off and then turned back on to the microwave, started back up.
Oh, you're like, oh.
I was shivering.
Last day before school. These guys got their swim trunks on. What? Ooh. Now we have sirens off in the distance and zero rain, but still a little bit of lightning.
I told you. I told you it was lightning. Was that the loudest one that we heard?
That's pretty big. It shook the house a little bit.
Are you serious?
Didn't you hear it go do 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 do? It shook the garage. These tacos are amazing, or burrito tacos, whatever you want to call them. There's this load I found on Truck Smarter.
Yeah, it's raining so hard.
It is raining so hard.
Yeah.
Maybe be a prospect for tomorrow. We'll see. But I bid 15.
Okay.
I bid 15.50 on it. So we'll finish my food. Let's see if this weather subsides. Okay, the boys are down. It's back to 6:30 a.m.s for the rest of the year. So they didn't go down lightly, but they went down. I was like, why are we out here to sleep? So we'll see you tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna go Uber, I think, because the concrete got canceled again for tomorrow. So it's like, spot market's horrible. Let's go Uber just to like bring in $150 because T-Dubs has boots to buy.
Oh, stop.
No, I'm just stir crazy, guys. It's like, what am I gonna do? So
You can't sit around.
Let's go pick some people up.
Huh?
That weather calmed down a bit. Got the neighbors bringing in their trash cans. Got to put our flag back up. Take old Red Wheels for a little bit of a ride. Okay, well, we just left the neighborhood and we get our first ride. It's $16 going kind of on the upper west side of Greenville, kind of, not too far. So we'll take that one, start off the night, picking up Jacob. Let's go check out Jacob and see what he's doing. All right, we should be the first left here. Nice little community. I've never really been back here. This is kind of across from the Burger King I go to every now and then with the boys. We got some jet skis in the driveway. There you go. And it should be the straight ahead house. There we go. Let's see what Jacob's doing, where he's going. Good old Red Wheels back in action. Let's go make some Uber money. At least fill up the gas tank and see what's going on. What's going on, Jacob? Been pretty good, man. You can probably fit those right down the middle. Best of your foot. Oh, man. There you go. Somebody sit in the back. Alrighty. Just you? Okay, Jacob was not a talker. Not at all. Didn't even get on his phone, nothing. But he did say he was cold, so I turned it down for him. Or turned it up, either way. But yeah, we're over here now, back at Uber. Not bad at all. But what a beautiful sunset. I wish I could have filmed some of it for you guys coming over the hills, but that is it. Let's pick up a couple more, see if we get any personalities, and then shut it down and get ready for school tomorrow. But that is an air dryer. I know I keep saying that, but if you have one, they're not that hard. They're all pretty much the same concept, inlet, outlet, and a governor, which shoots back to the compressor and tells it when to turn off. So see how the heck we get out of here. And there's another ride right there. See if we get this one. And we in fact did take that one. And
New message from Connor. Number 1717 gate code.
Okay, 1717 is the gate code. All right, cool, cool. Bunch of brand new houses back in here. Like nice little, I don't know how, 2,000, 3,000 square foot homes. Okay, I like it. But it is rainy and dark. So I got my brights on. Let's go get Connor. Looks like we do. Oh, maybe we do need the gate code. Are they gonna get the sensor? Oh yeah, they hit the sensor. There you go. Yeah, gates are already open. Nice houses back here. I do believe I've been back here before, but my goodness, it's a nice establishment. All right, let's get Connor. What's going on, Connor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just you two?
Yep.
All right.
All right for a little dark.
Oh, you're good, man. Connor and his buddies, super nice guys. Nice meeting you today, guys. We are getting another ride, but I wanted to kind of close this video here, see what we get. We're downtown now, and I'll show you where we're at. What do we got? 2 miles for $7. Maybe we'll take that one, but let's close this video out. It's pretty cool to Uber again. Not my favorite thing, but for a Monday night, not bad at all. We're back downtown. I don't know what the heck Deca is, but that's Juniper and all these new hotels and pretty cool atmosphere. That's where we dropped off Connor and his buddy. They're from Orlando. And yeah, thank you for the tip, Connor. If you see this video, Red Wheels is doing good. We're 27 bucks for 2 rides. Let's try to get to 100, get home and take those kids to school tomorrow. God bless you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me again today. Get back to trucking. But I just go stir crazy. I have to do something. So I'm gonna Uber tonight a little bit. And then if it, weather permitting, maybe we'll get loads again tomorrow, but they did say they're canceled. So maybe we'll get one Tuesday, or maybe we'll find something on the spot market. That convoy load that I talked about earlier actually did get taken off the board. So either someone booked it or they canceled it till the next day. So God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.